Hello student, in last period we have studied the definitions of the functional group and examples of functional group. Today I will teach to you the next point in this chapter is the homologous series. You know that in the organic compounds carbon is the main constituents or main atoms, and these carbons have the cation property. Due to the cation property, the carbon form the continuous chain of its own atom and to produce the chain of hydrocarbons. Is it not? For example, the first examples of the alkane or lower members of alkane is the methane. When this methane contain the one carbon and four hydrogen atom. When this one carbon form a bond with another carbon atom to form a second molecules of the alkane is the ethane. Similarly, all these carbon atom form a bond with other carbon atom. This carbon atom again form a bond with a next carbon atom and to form the third molecules of alkane is the propane. Fourth carbon molecule is the CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. The name of molecule is the butane. Similarly, this alkane molecule continuously form when this carbon form a bond continuously with the other carbon atom. This is the first four members of the alkane series. This is called as the homologous series of alkane. It is the homologous series of alkane. Series of alkane. You see here on the blackboard, the first molecule contains the one carbon and four hydrogen. Second molecule contains the two carbon and three hydrogen. In the third molecule, three carbon and eight hydrogen. In fourth molecule, four carbon and 10 hydrogens. If you subtract the carbon and hydrogen or take the difference between the adjacent member means the lower and upper members, upper and lower members. The difference is one carbon and two hydrogen. This group is called as the methylene group. CH3 called as the methylene group. You compare in any molecules between the two upper and lower, that is the adjacent member. This adjacent member is differed by which group? CH2 group. If you calculate the molecular weight of the CH2 group, then how much? You know that atomic weight of carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, 1 into 2 means 2. Therefore, the molecular weight is differed by the 14 units. Therefore, how do you define the homologous series? The homologous series of alkane. How do you define on these examples? The series of organic compound which having the specific functional group. Here functional group is a single bond. Specific functional group and adjacent member is differed by the CH2 group. Such series are called homologous series. Take the second example. When this hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbon compound is replaced by any functional group. You know the functional group. Functional group alcohol is a bond OH, amine is a bond NH2, carbonic acid is a COH. Take the one example. Homologous series of alkane. Second example, homologous series of alcohol. You tell me the functional group alcohol. The alcohol functional group is bond OH. Is it not? Then here one carbon, four hydrogen. Consider this one hydrogen atom of this methane is replaced by the bond OH functional group. Then we get the new molecule CH3OH. The name of molecule is methyl alcohol. Similarly, when the hydrogen atom of the ethane is replaced by the OH group, we get a new molecule. The name of compound is the ethyl alcohol. Hydrogen atom of propane is replaced by the again functional group bond OH. We get a propyl alcohol, and last one is the butane. In case of butane also, the hydrogen atom is replaced by functional group alcohol OH, we get a butyl alcohol. This is the second example of homologous series. On this example, again define the homologous series. You see here, they having the same functional group. Again, adjacent member is differ by the bond CH2 methylene group here. Here also CH2. Because here how many hydrogen atom carbon? 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Here 6 carbon, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen. Subtract this value carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, we get the CH2. Therefore, how to define? The series of organic compound which having the specific alcohol, specific functional group, and adjacent member is differ by methylene or CH2 group. The series of compound or organic compounds are called as the homologous series. What are the characteristics? You take the characteristics on these examples. The first characteristics, all homologous series compound having the same functional group. Here OH is a functional group. First characteristic, they having a same functional group. Due to presence of same functional group, they have a similar chemical property, because functional group is responsible for chemical property. This is the first characteristics. Second characteristics, all these compounds of the homologous series is prepared by any chemical method, same chemical methods, because they having the same functional group. This is the second characteristics. Third characteristics, the homologous series compounds have a same general formula. What is the, in case of alkane, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane. What is the C here? C means carbon. N means, what is the N here? Remember one important point. N means number of carbon atom in the molecule. This is very important. Remember, N means number of carbon atom in the molecules. H means hydrogen. Substitute the value of N in the formula, we get a molecular formula of any molecules. But this point is not included in your syllabus. You only remember all homologous series have a same functional group. In case of alcohol also, the general formula is a Cn H2n plus 1 OH. This is the third characteristics. What is the third characteristics? The homologous series have a same general formula. Next characteristics, in case of homologous series, the physical properties change from top to bottom with increasing molecular weight. Which physical property? Melting point, boiling point, density, solubility. Such type of physical property changes with changing the molecular weight in case of homologous series. Question may be asked in the examination. Define homologous series, gives 2 examples, or write a short notes on homologous series, or third question, what are the characteristics of homologous series? Thank you.